Business Intelligence, or BI, is a module in Unleashed which enables you to gain valuable insights into your business performance. The data within this module is based on your transactions within Unleashed and provides useful KPIs to indicate how well the business is doing or areas to improve on. BI Foundation is the free version of our Business Intelligence module and is included in your Unleashed subscription. When you sign into Unleashed, you'll see your KPI tiles displayed in your dashboard. You can click into each tile to gain more insights relating to that area of the business. Let's start with the inventory section. Click on Explore More on the Stock on Hand Total Value tab. This will dive into your inventory data. There are 5 KPI tiles relating to your inventory. These are Stock on Hand Value, Allocated Stock Value, Available Stock Value, Open Purchase Order Cost, and Average Days to Sell. Underneath these, you will find a time series chart showing your stock on hand value per day over the last few months. The KPI tiles within this section are a good tool for managing risk within your business. You can navigate to the other business intelligence metrics from your sidebar, selecting Business Intelligence and clicking on the relevant metric you wish to explore. Let's now look at the sales section. In this section, you can see your current sales metrics and how they compare with previous sales figures. The tabs at the top allow you to change the time period you are looking at. These tiles give you a quick insight into how your business is performing compared to previous months, quarters, or years. The KPIs covered here are sales revenue, gross profit percentage, number of sales orders, and average revenue per order. The graphs below these tiles show the comparison for your sales in your chosen time period. In this example, I am showing my quarterly values and therefore the graph is comparing to the previous quarter. Next, let's look at your customer section. We can navigate to this section by going back to the dashboard or selecting the Business Intelligence tab again on the sidebar. This area shows you your KPIs related to customers. Again, we can choose the time period we want to look at using these tabs here. You can see your total number of customers, new customers, active customers, average orders per customer, and average revenue per customer. Again, the charts below allow us to compare these numbers to the previous month, quarter, or year. Using your Business Intelligence module to review these key performance indicators will provide valuable insights into your business and enable you to make better business decisions. Thank you for watching.